And this is a very sad moment, folks. I have found oysters. So today we're on the lookout for kelp, oysters, mussels, clam. 35 feet, that beautiful little beach there. I think we're gonna get on that beach, as long as we don't hit rocks. Also don't want to get caught up in kelp. Isn't that just so beautiful, folks? Hey, look at that. Beautiful. Eat. Don't want to be stuck in this. Don't want it in our prop. Just beautiful. That. All that food. I see food, I cook food, and I eat food. It's beautiful here. Nice and easy for our shore landing. We don't want to be stuck here. Just beautiful. Look at that beach, folks. That beach. Just look at this paradise, folks. You can cook with Dave. Catch, eat, and definitely cook it or eat it raw, whatever you prefer. I've just come across this beautiful beach here, and I think we've discovered a secret oyster field of wild oysters. Let's have a look. Do you see any down here? I think we're getting close. Oh, look at that. I got an oyster. Oh, I've got Tabasco, I've got lemon. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it right here. But oh, guess what, folks? No can do. It's a closed area for now. But we're gonna come back here in the future. This is our secret little spot. There's one. Oh, look at that. Wow, aren't we lucky? You imagine just shucking this beauty here and having it raw here on the beach with You Can Cook with Dave. We catch it. We don't cook it, and then we also eat it. Look at that. How lucky are we? Just look at this beautiful cove that we're at, folks. Look at the clams in the water, the shells, the seaweed. Just abundance here. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Wow. We're in paradise. And this is a very sad moment, folks. I have found oysters, and I've got Tabasco, and I've got lemon, and I've got some shallots. But you know what? I can't eat these. The area is closed for shellfish contamination. Look at that. This beach is full of them. We know where they are, so we're gonna come back when it's opened, and we can definitely eat them safely, because I don't feel like a sore tummy. Respect your regulations, folks. Look at the size of that oyster. Come to Papa. Look at that. Oh, wow. Woo. Can you imagine that with some Tabasco? Wow. Even fried up right here on the beach with You Can Cook with Dave. Just amazing. What a beautiful spot, folks. Would you like to try oysters? What do you like on your oysters? Tell me in the comments below. Do you like it with a bit of garlic? Tell me, folks. Breaded, cooked, or lemon juice, Tabasco. What's your favorite way to do raw oysters? And here, it's not a buck a shuck. It's everywhere.